The #1 way to create, design and publish profit-producing ebooks. No writing or design skills needed. Everything is done for you by AI. Literally, the writing, the design, the images, the formatting, everything. Right now, you can get instant access to eBook Valet at an insane 73% discount before the price goes way up. Yes, we're leaving no stone unturned. We not only want you to be able to have your ebooks written and created for you at record speed, we also want you to start profiting from your ebooks as quickly as possible. So for a very limited time, we're also going to be showing you exactly how to get your ebooks listed for sale on Amazon KDP. Turn those ebooks into audiobooks automatically for you. Just pick a topic, click a button, and let our AI do all the work. Yep, the writing, formatting, layout, images, headings, cover design, even the call to action, it's all done for you, in minutes. Want it all done for you in minutes? Just enter a topic, language, and word count and let our AI handle the rest with zero input needed, or want more control? Switch to manual mode and guide the AI by specifying your ideal audience, titles, subheadings, tone, and more. It's the best of both worlds for total beginners or advanced marketers who want their personal touch. Want to tweak a word or change a title? No problem. You get a powerful drag and drop editor so you can make as many, or as few, changes as you'd like. You're in control, but only if you want to be. Add affiliate links, lead magnets, service offers, whatever you want. Your ebooks will be fully interactive and conversion ready with built-in calls to action that make sales and capture leads effortlessly. Whether your audience speaks Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Swahili, or literally any language you can think of, we've got you covered. Our AI taps into the full power of ChatGPT's multilingual brain so you can create fully written, beautifully designed ebooks in over 95+ languages with just a few clicks. Perfect for global audiences or tapping into untapped international niches. Instantly convert your AI-generated ebooks into engaging audiobooks with real human-like narration, perfect for podcast-style lead magnets, Audible-style products, or even uploading to YouTube for passive traffic. Don't want to create anything from scratch? You'll get access to pre-written, fully designed, and ready-to-profit ebooks in the hottest, most evergreen niches online, ready to use, brand, and sell. You're not just getting an ebook, you're getting an entire lead converting follow-up machine. Each DFY ebook comes with 7 professionally written emails to build trust, warm up your leads, and close sales like a pro. That's right, no extra fees, no OpenAI keys, and no tech setup needed. We run everything through our private, enterprise-level API keys, so you get complete access to cutting-edge AI with zero hidden costs on the back end. Just log in and let the magic happen. Want to start profiting from your ebooks immediately? We've got you covered. We're including full training on how to get your AI-powered ebooks listed and selling on Amazon KDP fast, even if you've never published a book before. We'll walk you through everything so you can start earning passive income from your ebooks on the world's #1 digital bookstore. You're getting full rights to sell your ebooks, offer them as services, package them as bonuses, or use them as lead magnets for clients. Keep 100% of the profits, we never take a cut. 4-step process. Enter your topic, pick your language, and set your word count. That's it. You can even choose auto mode for total hands-off creation or switch to manual mode for advanced control. Our app gets to work writing your entire ebook plus designing the layout, adding images, formatting everything beautifully. And yes, even turning it into an audiobook if you want. All in under 10 minutes. Want to add affiliate links? Promote your services? Build your email list? You can drop in clickable links and strong calls to action in seconds. You can also edit your ebook as much, or as little, as you want with our powerful built-in editor. Download your ebook, share it via a public URL, publish it anywhere online, or plug it into a lead funnel. You'll also get access to pre-written ebooks in hot niches plus high-converting follow-up emails to start building trust and collecting sales. And we'll even show you how to get your ebook on Amazon KDP, step by step. eBook Valet right now. For a limited time, you can secure access to eBook Valet for a one-time, early bird price that saves you 73% off. Click below now to claim your 73% discount plus start profiting with premium AI-written ebooks in any niche. We've created the best, fastest, and most done-for-you ebook creation app. Instantly create profit-producing ebooks in any niche, language, or topic, without writing a single word yourself. You'll even get access to over a dozen pre-written ebooks in the hottest niches. Yes, we're leaving no stone unturned. We not only want you to be able to have your ebooks written and created for you at record speed, we also want you to start profiting from your ebooks as quickly as possible. So for a very limited time, we're also going to be showing you exactly how to get your ebooks listed for sale on Amazon KDP. $15 billion. We all know how profitable ebooks can be, right? This has been true since the beginning of online marketing well over 30+ years ago. In fact, ebooks were one of the first ways that online marketers made millions. This was before video and audio courses were even a thing. Ebooks were the go-to business model, and they are still just as profitable as they were back then. Used to suck. Trust me, I wrote several in multiple different niches, from how to play chess, to how to master setting up a site with WordPress. And I wrote every word myself. And if you wanted to turn it into an audiobook? Forget it. Hope you've got a $3,000 studio and Morgan Freeman's vocal cords handy. If you quit before you even started. I wanted to quit and give up multiple times while writing my ebooks over a decade ago. Especially when I was writing about a niche I wasn't an expert at. That meant having to do even more research before I even began writing. However, even though the process was painful, many of us still pushed through. And I would do it all over again if I had to. Why? Because ebooks have always been a goldmine. And they still are. Over $35 billion by 2030. People love to read and listen on the go. Ebooks and audiobooks are still one of the fastest ways to build a brand, build trust, and make serious cash, and now, you guessed it, you can. You're minutes away from being able to build instant authority and create profit-pulling digital products at the click of your mouse. Let me show you how easy it is to create ebooks and audiobooks. In just minutes, you'll see how anyone, even with zero experience, can pump out gorgeous, high-quality, ready-to-sell ebooks. We've made publishing high-quality, profit-ready ebooks. With eBook Valet, you're just minutes away from launching your first or next digital product with zero stress, zero experience, and zero extra cost. The best AI-driven ebook platform that lets you pump out profitable, premium ebooks in any niche. Want to publish more, faster? Now you can. Get a massive head start with AI writing your ebook for you. You can even use our manual mode if you'd like to, and guide our AI in the exact direction you'd like it to go with your content. Add more value to your promos and or give value-packed ebooks away for free that are sprinkled with your affiliate link throughout. Sell ebook services with fulfillment done for you. There's still a ton of people out there who have no idea AI can write long for ebooks for them. You can be the one to offer ebook creation services to them. Build trust and grow your email list. I'm sure you've seen pretty much every online coach or consultant leveraging ebooks on social media, right? Create companion guides or standalone mini courses that feed into your other products and or higher ticket services. Just getting started online? This is the perfect business model. Ebooks have the lowest barrier of entry to online marketing than just about any other strategy out there. eBook Valet is your shortcut to creating, launching, and profiting from high-quality, fully formatted, and monetized ebooks in minutes. There is nothing else on JVZoo like eBook Valet. We tried finding anything that came close, and came up empty. There's no other AI tool that writes, designs, formats, and even helps monetize ebooks for you, in any niche, in any language, in just a few minutes. All without you lifting a finger. Most tools just generate text, badly, or expect you to bring your own OpenAI API key, or worse, make you do all the editing, formatting, and designing yourself. eBook Valet does it all. It's like having a full-time writer, designer, formatter, and marketer, built into one simple dashboard. We know how much value this offers. We know people pay $500 to $1,000 plus for a single ebook to be written and formatted manually. We know how huge the ebook and audiobook industry is, and we also know we could easily launch this to the public and charge $67 per month or more, but that's not what we're doing today. Today, you're getting eBook Valet at a massive, one-time, and it's a true once-in-a-lifetime chance to jump into one of the most powerful AI publishing tools to ever hit the market. This is your chance to join all of our early adopters who are already using eBook Valet to generate leads, build authority, and create profit-pulling ebooks and audiobooks with the #1 AI engine, but this offer won't last. And once it's gone, especially when you consider that this is easily the first AI ebook platform of its kind to hit JVZoo. This a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure access to eBook Valet. You may never see it offered at this price, with this much value and with the amazing bonuses we've mentioned on this page ever again. You'll also unlock these exclusive, limited-time bonuses. This is one of our most powerful upgrades, and we're including it free. You'll be able to turn any ebook you create into a professional audio version with just a few clicks. No studio. No mics. No editors. AI handles it all for you, giving you access to the booming audiobook market, expected to reach $35 billion plus by 2030, with zero extra effort. Now you can publish across multiple formats and maximize your profit potential without lifting a finger. Yes, we're letting you use eBook Valet to create and sell ebooks to others and keep all the money. Turn this into a done-for-you content agency, sell ebooks as a service. Offer audio versions as upsells, or charge to reformat and design content for clients. No royalty splits. No restrictions. No nonsense. Just 100% pure profit directly into your pocket. Most tools out there require you to hook up your own OpenAI API key and figure out usage limits, tokens, pricing, and more. Not here. We handle all the back-end AI costs on our end. So you can generate your ebooks, designs, covers, and audio content without worrying about hidden fees or surprise charges. This makes eBook Valet 100% beginner-friendly and cost-efficient. As I mentioned before, we'll be here with you every step of the way. We're leaving no stone unturned. We not only want you to be able to have your ebooks written and created for you at record speed, we also want you to start profiting from your ebooks as quickly as possible. So for a very limited time, we're also going to be showing you exactly how to get your ebooks listed for sale on Amazon KDP. Even if you've never heard or created an account on Amazon KDP, we'll have you up and running within 10 to 20 minutes. Want to dominate international markets? Or reach audiences in Spanish, French, Hindi, Chinese, or Arabic? No problem. With eBook Valet, you can create ebooks in any language supported by ChatGPT. That means 90+ languages at your fingertips, instantly unlocking global income opportunities like never before. We're handing you the ultimate shortcut to instant authority and lead generation with a full library of high-converting, done-for-you ebooks across hot niches. These aren't just boring PLR books, they're professionally written, beautifully formatted, and ready to publish. Plus, each ebook comes with a 7-day follow-up email sequence, so you can plug and play your way to sales, leads, and engagement starting today. Whether you use them as lead magnets, bonuses, or even sell them as your own, these will give you a massive head start. 30 day money back. Yup, we're so confident in how powerful and how much value eBook Valet can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we're doing a full 30-day. No questions asked money back guarantee. Just show us that you put eBook Valet into action in your business, and if the speed and the quality of the ebooks and audiobooks doesn't absolutely blow you away, we will, without hesitation, give you a full refund right away. At this point there's not much else to say. You either want to have high-quality ebooks delivered to you on a silver platter, or you don't. You either want to have high-quality audiobooks delivered to you on a silver platter, or you don't. You either want to be the first to get access to this powerful AI ebook creator, or you don't. You either want to quickly grow your list and generate more profit by leveraging the power of quality ebooks, or you don't. You either want to pick up eBook Valet at the best possible price and value that you will ever see it at, or you don't. However, if you do want to pick up the best, AI ebook app to ever hit JVZoo at the best price you'll ever see it at. I highly recommend picking up your copy now. That's right for you. Disclaimer. Please note that this product does not provide any guarantee of income or success. The results achieved by the product owner or any other individuals mentioned are not indicative of future success or earnings. This website is not affiliated with Facebook or any of its associated entities. Once you navigate away from Facebook, the responsibility for the content and its usage lies solely with the user. All content on this website, including but not limited to text, images, and multimedia, is protected by copyright law and the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Unauthorized copying, duplication, modification, or theft, whether intentional or unintentional, is strictly prohibited. Violators will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. We want to clarify that JVZoo serves as the retailer for the products featured on this site. JVZoo is a registered trademark of BBC Systems Inc., a Florida corporation located at 1809 E Broadway Street, Suite 125, Oviedo, Florida, 32765, USA, and is used with permission. The role of JVZoo as a retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claims, statements, or opinions used in their promotion. Copyright all rights reserved. Privacy policy.